class. Let's do some math. So please get out your math worksheets.
Excuse me, Mr. Rogers. Can I go to the bathroom, please?
Of course you may, duck, Harriet. But I have a class to teach. So make sure you be back in 5 minutes or less.
Instead of going to the bathroom, I will replace the original school bell with the farthing school bell. Ha 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 ha. It will be funny. But first, I must use my phone to hack the school bell.
Seconds later.
There. I hacked the bell and I will replace the original bell into the farthing bell. Now to get back to class before I get caught.
At lunchtime.
Oh. That's the bell. That means it's time. Jesus Christ. That's weird. The bell rang and suddenly farted for lunch team. How did that happen?
I don't know, Mr. Rogers. It's strange.
Who could have done this? Wait a minute. I can see Dark Harriet laughing. So that means Dark Harriet hacked the bell and then replaced the original bell to the farting bell.
Oh really? Thanks for explaining everything, Braden. Dark Harriet. Is this true of what you just did?
Yeah. I might have.
Go to the principal's office now.
Dang. I really hate Dark Harriet.
I know, right, Braden? She always caused too much trouble.
Dark Harriet. I just got a footage of you hacking the bell and replacing it to a farting bell. That was not funny at all.
But Principal Jake, I'm so sorry.
No. Your sorry is not going to cut it for what you did. You are suspended for 2.5 weeks for this. Go home, while I called your parents. And after that, I will call the electricity workers to replace the farting bell back to the original bell.
Dark Harriet. We can't believe you hacked the bell and replaced the original bell to the farting bell. What you did was absolutely not funny at all.
But Mom, Dad, Spubert, and Franco. I'm so...
Nope. Apology denied.
You are grounded until the end of August. Now go upstairs to the room of yours.